Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step-by-step guide to generating slide fast using Gamma AI. To stop wasting hours building slides, with Gamma AI, you can auto-generate presentations in minutes. And here I'm going to show you how you can create stunning professional slideshows instantly with this AI. So first you can just open gamma.app in here and then sign up using your Google account. And now to create presentations instantly, you can just click on this create a new button and then choose this option create from a one line prompt in a few seconds. And make sure that you choose the presentation tab. Here you can select how many cards that you want for the presentations. For example, I'm going to just go with 6 and choose the page style. I'm going to just go with default, and also the languages. There are so many options that you can choose in here, and then you can just describe what you like to make the topic of the presentation. So for example, in here I'm going to just use one of these prompts. Let's say this one in here, and then you can just tap on this generate outline options, and in here you can see the outline. First you can choose or customize your Gamma in here, whether you want it's minimal, concise, detailed, or extensive. And here's the outline of the 6 pages that I choose, and here you can choose the visuals, the themes. I'm going to just go with this one, and here you can also choose image source for AI images. I'm going to just go with this, and the model, let's go with auto select, and here you can choose the image art style, whether it's illustration, photorealistic, abstract, 3D, or line art. I'm going to just go with illustration, and then you can just tap on generate and just wait until Gamma create your presentations based on the topic given. So as you guys can see in here, Gamma will generate the slides page by page, including the points or the details in here. And just wait until all cards are finished. Okay, so here is my slide, and just click on show me to see the details. Okay, as you guys can see, this is the title, and this one is the first page, and next it includes also the illustration in here. And then here you can click on present if you want to, or in here you can click on share, and then you can share it to by copy the link, or you can also click on export to download the slides. You can export as PDF or PowerPoint or Google Slides in here. So that's pretty much all. That's how you can instantly create your presentations using Gamma AI. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on thanks. Bye.